All right, so this is my example of a physical goal. So you'll see here on slide 1, I have my name, fall 2020 and quarter 1. On slide 2, you'll see that I have a copy of the questions. Just as a reminder, we want to make sure our goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So you'll see on slide 3, I've answered these questions. Specifically, my physical goal is that I want to eat at least 3 servings of vegetables a day, every day for 5 weeks. I will keep track of these servings of vegetables that I eat. That's how I will measure it. Attainable, is it challenging but not impossible? Yes, it is. Relevant. This matters to me because my body keeps me alive and I want to treat it kindly so I can live as long time and feel comfortable in my body. So that's why this goal is important to me. Time bound. I will track every day how many vegetable servings I eat, and I will be complete at 5 weeks and hope that I have a new habit formed. So here's me restating that in kind of a sentence form. My goal is to eat 3 or more servings of vegetables a day for the next 5 weeks. I will do this by taking the following actions. I will track my vegetable intake every day and find new recipes that have more vegetables. I will track those actions by using my goal tracker. This goal is important to me because I want my body to be healthy. I will complete this goal by November 13th. All right, slides 5 and 6 are just some beautiful images of vegetables to kind of inspire me to keep going with my goal and maybe have some ideas of some new veggies. See, slide 6 is a variety of mushrooms because I love mushrooms. Slide 7 is a tracker of how you're going to reward your behavior. So I want you, just like I have, to come up with 3 quick, easy, free ways to reward yourself when you've done a good job. So for me, I wrote saying great job to myself, giving myself a sticker for completing each day. I love stickers. Asking my partner to give me a high five when I complete my goal each day. And then once a week, if I get my goal for the week, every day, I'm going to make myself like a special yummy dish with extra vegetables in it that I, take time to cook and really savor. Slide 8 talks about our goal strategies. So in class, we wrote down our goal, we said it out loud, and we are looking at those slides of 5 and 6 to look at those images. You can move these arrows to signify that you've done that goal for yourself. So I've done that here. The goal tracker that I've used is here. And it's funny because I thought that my goal was 5, but I had wrote down 3 up here. I might actually change it to 5 because I feel like 5 is a little bit more challenging than 3. So I'm going to come back here and say 5 instead of 3 servings. That's what I thought it was. Okay, so you can see my daily tracker here. So for this last week, I wrote down how many servings a day. My average was 5, and I had 5 out of 7 days where I achieved my goal. So I'm off to a good start, but I definitely had like new goal energy. So we'll see how I keep up over the next several weeks. I'm excited to keep working. All right, so this slide here, slide 10, is where you write down those roadblocks you might come across. So I'll let you read through some of those on your own in the examples, but the first one I had was, what if I eat too many processed foods or just non-veggie foods and I don't have room for veggies? This is definitely an external goal because I have control over that. And I wrote down, when I want to eat processed foods, I'll make sure to make a veggie snacks ahead of time so I can grab them easily. So instead of being like, oh my gosh, those Oreos look amazing, I'll be like, oh yeah, I have a fruit tray or a veggie tray in the fridge with ranch. I'll eat that first. And if I still want an Oreo after that, at least I'll have my veggies. All right, here, and I might put some as I keep going, but this is going to be where I put some completion photos. And that is my physical goal, health goal example.